going on, guys? Anthony from AO Fitness. Welcome back to another video. Today is a different type of video. We've never done anything like this before. We are in the midst of potentially having a quarantine, a 2-week, 3-week, 4-week, whatever it's going to be. And I got a special guest. It's the first time we're going to do a Zoom call. He's got some really cool insight on what we can do to stay fit and healthy during this potential quarantine. Welcome back. So we are going to get Erik on the phone. He's the owner of a CrossFit gym right here in Brighton. He's got an amazing program set up, and I just want to make sure that everybody has access to it. So we're going to get him on the call here. Hopefully you don't mind. We're just going to play through the call. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please drop them in the comments below. I know that Erik will be monitoring some of these comments, so if you have questions specifically for him, he'll be able to answer those for you. Erik.
What's up, man?
What's going on, buddy? It looks like you're at home.
I am at home. Still at home, yeah.
Nice. You've been at home, what, since yesterday?
Let's see. Effect went in Monday night, so Tuesday.
God, what is today? Today's Friday already?
Friday, yeah.
Are you getting stir crazy yet?
Yes.
Yes.
I still have 42 more days to go.
So you're posting some online videos for your guys?
Yeah, definitely. Are we recording, by the way?
Yeah. Yep.
Oh, jeez. Yeah, definitely doing online videos. We're trying to stream some yoga. We've got a whole bunch of stuff going on like that. Trying to keep people together. We're doing like a burpees fights Corona little challenge to get people just still talking to each other, because a lot of people are friends and they don't get to see their friends at the gym right now, and that's a big aspect of the gym.
For sure, especially in your industry, the CrossFit industry. I mean, you guys, I gotta say, you guys are a lot closer than any other type of fitness gym. You know what I mean? You guys are very tight niche, so I could see staying together is going to be super important. So I was getting a hold of you. I was hoping that you could help us with some tips and tricks to stay healthy while you're at home.
Yeah, biggest thing for me is routine. I think a lot of us are going to go off our normal routine. Waking up at the same time you did when you were going to work. I've seen it already on Facebook. So many people are like, oh, I don't have to get out of my sweatpants or my pajamas. And it's like, no, you got to force yourself to get dressed, to get ready for the day. Luckily for me, sweatpants is always my daily attire.
That's what we wear. That's what we wear.
The best part of my job is I don't really have to get dressed. I don't have to comb my hair. I don't really have to do anything like that. But I still get up at the same time. I still shower, right away. Go make breakfast, go get my daughter ready, everything like that, just to keep that routine, because that's the biggest thing I will see is people start getting bored, and boredom leads to eating.
Yeah.
Eating to extra calories, and then extra calories leads to, I don't want to make light of the situation, but the COVID-15, which is going on around right now, instead of the freshman 15 is you're going to gain 15 pounds.
I see what you did there. I can't
take credit for it.
So guys, what Erik's trying to tell you is that it starts at the grocery store, right? I mean, we're not quarantined just yet, but if we are, when you're at the grocery store, don't grab the bag of chocolates and the chips and all that stuff. Make informed decisions. You'll thank yourself. If we do end up getting quarantined, it's going to be a lot better on your waistline. COVID-15, come on, that's funny. I haven't heard that yet.
No, really? Yeah, one of my members told me about it a couple days ago. I was like, whoa. I didn't even think that.
Mind blown. All right, so what else can these guys do at home, to stay healthy or stay fit?
Find an at-home program. If you are a part of a gym, I'm going to plug mine just because.
Yeah, go ahead. For sure, you've got a great program.
Yeah, we we took our normal CrossFit workouts just in case people have a home gym. Some people do have full access to their home gym. Then we scaled it down to no weights or few weights, nothing but dumbbells. Some people have kettlebells. And then we even took it even farther. We have ones that have no weight requirements or no weights needed at all. So
gotcha.
The best thing I would say is if you can find an at-home program, if your gym, I know a lot of gyms, if you're a part of, are doing a lot of stuff to keep people intrigued.
I see that, yeah.
Motivated, which is awesome to see. Keep on following those programs so you can stay healthy.
Now you've got an app, right, that has them all loaded into it?
Yeah, so we have an app that has 42 days right now programmed into it. Has videos for each movement and videos for the workout that will allow people to keep fit while staying at home.
Cool.
Because we don't know, unfortunately, how long this is going to last.
For sure. And then what's the cost on something like that for you guys?
Right now, we're offering it up to free. We're just asking if you can make a donation of $5 to $15, something like that,
Easy
just
enough,
to help us. Because imagine being shut down and can't work for 45 days. It's not easy. Main goal is just to keep our doors open. So in May, hopefully May 1st is when we can reopen again. My biggest thing is please stay home. I know that's crazy, and I never thought I would come to that, but even if we're not personally affected by it, I don't know anybody who has it.
I don't either. But I mean, it's better safe than sorry, right? We don't know. There could be so much more to this. We just don't know. And I think better safe than sorry. But I just feel bad for all the small businesses out there. I know that there's some help coming. Myself and you included. We've talked about this already, but I think just taking care of your health. If you put health number one right now, I think we're going to be in a better spot than we were.
Yeah, that's what I was going to kind of get to. It's if we're not affected by it with sickness, but imagine I know I have friends who own restaurants. I have friends who cut your hair. Imagine they make their money by appointments coming in, but they shut the doors for 45 days on hair stuff, hair salons, nail techs, all those people who are pretty much self-employed, and that's what they rely on to make their money. It's, just stay at home, let this pass, and hopefully, in May, everybody can get back to semi-normal life. I don't know how long we'll be back to normal life,
right?
But it's enough that we can have gatherings of 10 or more people.
Right, absolutely. Cool, Erik. Well, I appreciate you coming on, talking about some of the top tips and tricks to stay healthy while you're at home. I hope you and your family are safe, and we'll talk soon.
All right, man. Sounds good.
All right, buddy. See ya.
See ya.
All right, guys. That is it for today's video. I hope that you got some information out of it. I hope that what we went over, what Erik discussed, will help you in case we do get quarantined. I mean, we just don't know what's going to happen. It is happening in other places, so we just have to be prepared for it. And I feel like getting you this information ahead of time and giving you some tools to help you if we do get quarantined, that's just kind of my job and my duty, and I want to do that for you guys. So again, I appreciate your time, effort, love, and support, and we will see you guys on the next video.